Finally, the wait is over, and here is Nothing Phone 2 in my hand, just received from Flipkart. Let's unbox this. Here comes Nothing Phone 2. Uh, Security pin, I think, yes, this is brand new. We have to remove this. Done. First thing, here I have Nothing One. Case almost looks similar. This is Nothing Phone a bit darker side, and this is Nothing Phone 2 light gray color. Let's do this. I think here it is. The unboxing experience is same as the previous one. I am not liking this because it's completely tastes down this, but it's okay. And right now this is in white color. Everything is paper, no plastic. Wow. Now this time they have given a premium one. Last time this was not coming out. Only thing which you can remove like this case kind of a thing. There is a change in the box design. And here comes the first Nothing pin. SIM ejector tool. I don't think so. This is different. This is completely the same. They have type C to type C and transparent edges at the bottom. Edges and Nothing brand with steel. Looks premium. And here comes a small user guide booklet which nobody reads it. And here comes the phone itself. Let's put these things and let's open this. It's sticky, completely paper. Wow, nice. Let's quickly compare the both Nothing Phone 1 and 2. Let's put these things aside. Yeah. Here comes Nothing Phone 1 and Nothing Phone 2. Nothing Phone 1 is 6.5 inches and Nothing Phone 2 is 5.7 inches, a little bit higher. And on the back side it has got curved. I think you can see it. This is flat. That's the first thing which you feel it when you hold Nothing Phone 2. As expected, if you want this type of curved edges, either they have to increase the width or reduce the bezels. If you compare Nothing Phone 1 and 2, Nothing Phone 2 has a little bit reduced this bezel so that they can get this curved design. On the top, there's a mic cancellation on the left side of it, and here on the right side both antennas are at the same place, and on the right side there was only one antenna, and Nothing Phone 2 has 1, 2 and 3, and the power button is at the same place. At the bottom, no change, even mics are at the same place. On the left side, no change in the volume rockers. They have reduced the height of volume rocker from here, Nothing Phone 1 to Nothing Phone 2. And coming to back side, Both are at the same place. Both the phone cameras are at the same place, and not much difference in the design. But in Nothing Phone 1 you get 5 different glyph slots, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When it comes to Nothing Phone 2 you get 11 LED slots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. It has got a different purposes they have given. I think they have beautifully built this, and we will check this in full review. I am very excited by holding this Nothing Phone 2. And there is one more change. The LED for recorder, video recorder, is a dot kind of a thing, and Nothing Phone 2 has this horizontal kind of a thing, and rest looks similar. You may be thinking that there is in much difference in the design, but the price is very high, premium. It almost in India it was launched at around 29,000, below 30,000. Now this, the basic variant is itself 43,000. There is a 13,000 uh, increase in the price. But when a new phone brand is launched, you don't expect they change the designs very frequently so that they will lose their identity. And here comes the installation. I will install this and we will review it soon, full review.